It's Friday, 3:11 p.m. on the 2nd of July. This is the pound against the dollar. Been trying to go short on this. I did a video earlier. Look at it. This is a weekly chart. We got a downtrend. Overall, we have a downtrend. But look at this last leg from here to here to about here. It's crossed above the middle Bollinger Band line, so it's like an uptrend. It's in a very strong uptrend. All the downtrend lines that I got, like this gray one here, is breached at, and of course all the previous ones. So remember, it's in an overall downtrend on a daily basis. Same thing. It's making a wedge, which like is done here before. Kind of, you could say it was a lift up and then come back down. But this time the difference is that it's a lot above all of its averages. So it's a pretty strong uptrend. But there's a lot of resistance here, and if you're measuring the Fibonacci levels, it's very possible that it comes up to this 23% line and returns back. I'll show you some reasons why. So here's the daily chart, and rising wedge that can possibly go down to this, and it's at a very crucial point of 122 right now. It's 151.97.6. On a 4-hour chart, it's been bouncing around that level for quite some times now, for like about a day and a half, possibly even two, and it just hasn't been able to crack the 152. So that's why I think there's a catalyst that it could come down. It's gone up too fast, and it's due for retracement at least. And like, look at this rise from here to all the way up here, and then it just is kind of bouncing here. So it could be a consolidation. The good trade on this to me is that you go short around this area, but of course you may want to do this on Monday or something, depending on how the market opens up. But I'm sure right now it may stay in over the weekend. The reason being is that if it does close above 152, since it's so close, then this is a strong uptrend. You see that even though it's in a long-term downtrend or short-term downtrend on a daily chart and long-term downtrend on a weekly chart, you still can go long on it right after you stop out. So it could be a really good trade to go that way, to know both. So do your analysis. Don't just depend on mine or look in mine. I'm just giving you the info as I see it. And I just see that it's been bouncing around that area. It's very possible that that resistance level of 152 can become very strong for it, and it has breached it once. It breached it exactly 8:30 a.m. This morning, and it got up to 152.278. Now it's back down. It came down very fast on that. If you can see that candle, I'll make it even bigger. But wow, sorry. And here's that candle right there. So it was a pretty big candle, so it did that. So short-term downtrend, long-term downtrend, longer-term downtrend, short-term downtrend, and right now it's kind of trending sideways on a 4-hour chart. You can say, well, I guess it's going up a little bit, but for the last few bars, kind of sideways range. And of course on a 1-hour chart you can see it's been going sideways since yesterday at 3 p.m. So if you have bought it then, you would be either, or you shorted it then, you would be either at a few pip loss or a few pip gain. So that's my analysis wrap for the pound and the dollar.